Hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in East Preston, down by the coast, and looking forward to showing you around one of our Kite Predesigned combination rooms being used as a sauna and yoga room. So we completed this a few months ago, and there's still a large landscaping process to happen here with some really cool millboard decking going down. But for now, I'm just back here to show you the building ahead of all that works happening in the spring. The building itself is one of our Kite Predesigns. Slight increase in height to make the sauna work, but still working within the planning rules due to the height from the highest ground, which is that back right-hand corner. The building itself is 4.2 metres wide, with the store being 1.8, so 6 metres overall width. Our Kite Predesigned, as you probably know by now, has got these large aluminium doors done in the anthracite. We also do this in the black, but they felt it was right in anthracite. And when you take the greenery that's going to be around this building and the way the landscaping is going to happen, I think this really does complement itself very nicely. Integrated blinds, because they want obviously privacy for their yoga and sauna. Infrared sauna, got some really good health properties, becoming more popular now, I believe, than even a regular kind of stone and water sauna. And inside of here can easily sit 2 people. Infrared panels are heated there, and you just get in, turn it on and warm it up instantly, so really good. Yeah, Sunlighten's the brand here that fitted this particular one, come and installed afterwards. As I said to you, because of the privacy wanted, they do have the integrated blinds. You can see there when they're blacked out, full privacy, which I think is a nice option, particularly when it could be overseen in the sauna environment. This room is due to be fully decorated in a kind of Japanese feel and style, so we've got that to come. And once everything's fully completed, I may well come back and share with you this when it's fully done. For now, it is used daily for the yoga and also for the sauna. And it's a really lovely building. This just started off essentially as the clients wanting a sauna, couldn't fit it in the house. And as they came down to see what we'd done, decided to get a bigger room than needed, make the store, and just a really beautiful sized room. So there you go, that's one of our 4.2 by 3.1 deep kites with the combination store, the 1.8 store on the right there, really well kitted out in there as well. And then with the sauna installed, integrated blinds and the anthracite colour. I hope that's of interest. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thank you for watching.